Now, listen to me. My landlord gave me eviction. I'm a South African citizen, right? I've got no rights here, but my landlord is taking me out, evicting me from my flat. But the foreigners are still staying here. This thing, there's no papers, no nothing. She's bringing so much of foreigners in this building here, and she's putting them here in this building.
Evicting you for what reason?
She evicted me for not paying my rent, but foreigners are staying here. She's collecting money every day from them. That is wrong.
It's wrong.
Entirely wrong. I'm a South African citizen. I got my rights. My rights. I got my rights.
Being evicted?
I'm being evicted. That's not right. It's wrong. South Africa, it's wrong. It's wrong for me to be evicted with my sick wife. That is wrong. I will fight for it. I will go to march, and I'll make sure these people are out.
You know, sometimes when you think about it, I mean, then you are left speechless, like you don't know what to say. Like, how come somebody, I mean, so that's not my problem, bro. That's not my problem. If you can't afford to pay your rentals, is that my problem? But can you believe some South Africans are clapping hands for this guy? Like, yay. And why would you join March and March? For what? You are failing to pay your rentals. That's not a foreign national's problem. Hey, Banna. Hey. Hey, I've got the right. Hey, what? Hey, what? No, my brother. No. That's not right. You have no right. I mean, you are failing to pay your rentals. That's it. Accept it. Admit it. But foreigners, undocumented, they are paying their rentals. Okay, they are paying. Yes, because they work. They have the right to stay in that apartment. Not you. Oh, man. Sick. Aguluwa, aguri ali muchiflate, okay? Ndiye muchiflate mo, muchinyumbamo. Munu wake wapatsa kalata kuti atuluke mazipita kwawo. Chifukwa sakulipira yani? Sakulipira rent. Chabwino. Ndiyeno zapeza kuona kuti iwaja akunena kuti mu apartment mwemu muli anthu ma foreigners koma akumapereka ndalama. Ndi iyeyo atulutsidwa bwanji pamene ma foreigners ali mmene momo koma akulipira rent. Ndi iye akajona nawo zomatcha za bahambezi. Like, I don't know, it doesn't make sense. Hey. Kuma still pali anthu amene akumombera madana. Hey. He's a great guy. Hey. No, that's just nonsense, man. Give that guy a brain.
This economy of South Africa was built by all of Southern Africa. All of Southern Africa, African economy was colonized by Cecil Rhodes. All of us. These mines you are talking about, they were worked by everybody. This Johannesburg of gold you are talking about, it was worked by everybody in Southern Africa. This country was built by all Africans who contribute. Leave what they say that, no, they got you in exile, they were, leave that. They did it here. That's why there is a language called Fanaka law. Because Mozambicans, South Africans, the Zulus, the Xhosas, the Pedis, the Zimbabweans met underground when they were producing the minerals and could not speak to each other. They had to develop a language called Fanaka law. The EFF was not there. But they say these people were brought by the EFF. We must check, when was the EFF formed? 2013. When was Fanaka law formed? And how did the Fanaka law language get formed? It was because Africans came together to work on the economy of Southern Africa. All of us colonized by one man, Cecil John Rhodes. His grave is here in Zimbabwe. Zimbabwe, it was named after him. It's called Rhodesia. It was named after Rhodes. So all of us were squeezed by one man. One man. And then we instead of uniting against one man, we fight one another. All of these problems we see here can be driven to one man. That's now Tambo and others removed his statue at the University of Cape Town. Because they said we cannot celebrate this evil force. To put a statue of a man who killed our people, stole our land and stole our minerals in public is to worship a criminal. That was a just cause to remove a statue of a criminal. So we are where we are because of the occupiers, not because of Zimbabweans. They do that to you because they depoliticize you. And that's why I'm telling what I'm telling you, even when they say to you, don't vote for him because he says these things that he's saying, don't vote for him. I don't care about votes. I care about politicizing the youth. As long as you are politicized, if you are politicized, you are going to rise one day against the system, the evil system of Donald Trump. Why should we prioritize elections and votes over the lives of innocent children that were sleeping in cold weather in South Africa because you chased people out of Alexander? Here is Alexander. Millions of black